Bullish metaphysics cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 76 cents and $1.44 by 2030. Market experts accept ONT could reach 59 cents by 2025. Bearish cosmology market cost expectation for 2023 is 13 cents. Cosmology presentation. We will break down future cosmology value expectation and deal the market's expectations for ONT in this. How about we get rolling at this point? Before we dive into the cosmology cost gauge and address worries about regardless of whether ONT is a wise speculation, why ONT will succeed or fall flat, or why the cost of metaphysics will increment or lessening, we should momentarily investigate what ONT is and its set of experiences doing this point. What is cosmology? The business world has been discussing a thought that might bring about a stage that is incredibly dependable for a really long time. A stage that can assist with keeping up with the information saved as well as secure and safeguarded from any risks, both genuine and envisioned. The troubles confronting the monetary area led to blockchain innovation, which turned out to be progressively notable, especially corresponding to the decentralized money area. The production of the ONT organization by a gathering of Chinese digital money experts in 2017 has simply demonstrated to be useful given the rising fame of copious resources. The capability of two organizers, Da Hongfei and Eric Chang, produced this wonder of ONT organization. The Metaphysics Project tries to act as an extension between the universes of fiat and computerized money, where the overall population's degree of certainty is significant. A circulated recognizable proof framework with an emphasis on superior execution, conveyed information exchange and collaboration, and disseminated system conventions are a portion of the advantages of the Metaphysics Project. It consolidates particular networks, disseminated verification, and an adaptable winding of calculation modules that are bound to specific organizations. Metaphysics Major Investigation. 2021 was an excellent year for ONT since there was a huge increment from the base value worth of 40 cents to the greatest value level of $2.69. It was an increment of over 500%. Financial backers and sellers started to take benefits, which caused a sharp decrease in normal exchanging esteem. The cost diminished from a greatest worth of $2.69 to a typical cost of 58 cents. The cost almost gotten back to before average exchanging cost during a bullish run. From that point forward, the ONT cost has changed fairly in a sideways style. ONT's cost has expanded fairly because of the ongoing flood in the digital currency market. Solid help is shown around normal conjecture cost of 43 cents and huge obstruction is normal at greatest worth of $1.04 from the ongoing cost level. Starting around 2021, the cost esteem has kept up with this degree of help, which is empowering to financial backers. Metaphysics Specialized Examination. Bollinger Groups show that the unpredictability has risen and that the cost is presently exchanging over the upper band, highlighting a bullish standpoint. Bullish force is additionally being demonstrated by specialized pointers. The RSI is at 76 and has crossed the overbought marker, recommending very bullish energy. Furthermore, exchanging over the sign line is the MACD line, showing bullish force. Generally, every one of the signs are in the coin's approval, and the current cost levels are great for brokers and financial backers to store the coin and clutch it until its qualities essentially arrive at the most extreme worth of $1 limit again. Cosmology is right now worth 16 cents USD. ONT has moved 0.47% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,813,780. Metaphysics is at present positioned 144 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $147,840,557 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for philosophy to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Metaphysics Value Expectation 2023. Metaphysics, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ONT cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 25 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 23 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ONT is supposed to have a base worth of 20 cents. Philosophy Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Philosophy ONT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ONT will before long outperform 42 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ONT's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ONT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 33 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 37 cents. Philosophy Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 59 cents and ONT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ONT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 54 cents and a low of 50 cents in 2025. Philosophy Value Expectation 2026. In the event that cosmology effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the ONT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ONT will be green in 2026. The ONT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 76 cents, with a base cost of 67 cents and a typical cost of 71 cents. Cosmology Value Forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ONT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 88 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 84 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ONT has a greatest value worth of 93 cents. Cosmology Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.05. On the off chance that ONT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.10. Neglecting to assemble the help ONT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.02. Metaphysics Value Forecast 2029. While ONT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.19 and a yearly cost close above $1.27 in 2029. Philosophy Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, philosophy will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.36 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.44, averaging out at $1.39. Metaphysics Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ONT cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.66 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.59. With organizations like Movie Block, a blockchain-based stage for film dispersion, KM Player, Go With My, and Parody Game, Metaphysics has persevered and expanded its prosperity over the long run. It appears sense that the cost of ONT would without further ado take off, as indicated by our projections. What is the philosophy cost today? Today, cosmology is exchanging